So you can go free, let's say sign up for free. You're just going to put in all your details. Sorry, peeps. Can't
Promo
give you the
code, yeah.
promo. Yeah, promo code here.
Hmm.
So whatever it is, apply. It's like, okay, that's not right. But yeah, we'll give you a promo code that works. And then what it will do is when you get into the site, you'll see that money in the wallet automatically. And then this is where you pick that fixed or variable. And again, at $30, if your product price on average is higher than 30, just choose fixed. If it's
Hmm.
lower than $30 on average, just choose variable. It'll be more beneficial. So and then you can complete. And then I think there's a quick survey
Hmm.
that I'll just make sure I show
Hmm.
the full bit here.
Yeah, and the
Okay.
codes field, we're gonna of course update the relevant code in the description. I think we can make it Vova, VOVA, to make it easy for the viewers,
Yeah, you got it.
listeners. Hmm.
Yeah, we can definitely do that. Okay, so when you log in, the first thing you'll see is again, it'll have like a brief survey just so that we can ensure we know more about your account and we can reach out to you. And then once you're done with that, you'll see your wallet and it'll have $100 in there, and you can do as little or big of a launch as you want. I mean, if you have like a $20 product, you want to do 100% ACOS, you could do 5 sales for free. Hopefully, you'll use the tech more frequently
Yeah,
if you see the value we can provide. But yeah, we're happy to do some free sales just to show your viewers how everything works.
awesome. Yeah, so we're gonna have again in the description the best offer plus the code.